Hello everyone, my name is Vedant Zope and my roll number is 20MT10060 and I'm a student of IIT Kharagpur. My section is 12 and this is my DIY project 2. For my DIY project 2, I have made a smart lighting system which could be used in our houses as well with some minor modifications could be used to control the street lights for getting maximum efficiency and minimum energy losses. So first I will explain all the components I have used and the wiring I have done. Then we will move on to the code and at the end we will see the simulation. So first I will explain about this photoresistor. So this is a photoresistor also known as LDR, light dependent resistor. It got its name as LDR because it reacts to light and changes its resistance according to the intensity of the light. So it knows if it is daytime or if it is night time. This green box is a PIR sensor, a passive infrared sensor which detects the heat energy in the surrounding. So when a person enters the room, this sensor is triggered and from the reading we know a person has entered the room. This is a SPDT relay which is essentially electronically controlled switch which switches on the circuit when it gets a correct amount of current flow from the Arduino, which is triggered by the reading from the PIR sensor and the photoelectric sensor. This is a power supply. This is a electric bulb and this is Arduino Uno which we code and which controls all these components, and this is a resistor which I have added to limit the current flow. So here the ground pin is connected. We could have directly connected the ground pin to here this terminal, but to make it a little organized I've connected it here, and as we know these are all in series, so I've connected this here and from this to this, so this looks a little organized. And this signal and power is also connected to the Arduino board through this breadboard. Now we will see the code. So here we can see that first we initialize the photoresistor value, the PIR sensor value and the relay output value. So the photoresistor value is to read from the analog pin A0. Here we can see that the photoresistor is connected to the analog pin A0. The PIR sensor value is to read the digital pin 2. From here we can see that the signal pin is connected to D2, digital pin 2 of Arduino board, and we set the relay output value to 8. So our first job is to see if it is daytime or if it is night time. So here the photoresistor comes in play. We check that if the photoresistor value is less than 600, it means it is night time and there is need of light. So after that we check the PIR sensor value. If it is high, we set pin 8 to high and at a delay of 1 second we turn on the light, and if it is at low we switch off the light at a delay of 0.5 second. Now we see the else statement where the photoresistor value is greater than 600, that means it is daytime, so there is no need of light and no matter where the person is standing the bulb won't glow. So this here we can see the set pin to low and at a delay of 0.5 second the light bulb will be switched off. So this is our text code. So I will copy this and I have already pasted the code here. We will go and compile this. So here we can see that our code is successfully compiled and running. Now coming to the simulation, we start the simulation and here we can see this blue dot represents a person. So if a person is here and moving or standing, the light bulb glows, but as soon as the person moves out the light bulb is turned off at a some delay of second. So now this was the time when the photoresistor was set to dark mode, which means it is night time. Now coming to daytime, So no matter where the person is standing, we do not need the light, so the light bulb won't glow here, as we can see that. So this was my DIY project. Hope you guys liked it. Thank you.